Hey Tim, here's the video I promised you just to show you how we install the pull base. So the way we do this is, first and foremost, you might see there's a black 7/8 plug tip on the bottom of some of your poles. That's something new we started. If you do have one, just make sure you use the 3/4 pole. Just pop it out, and then you can put it away or throw it out. To put the pull base on, first and foremost, make sure you put the wing nut over the ball. That's an important part of it. And then the best way I found is to just start the ball into the bushing itself. So I put it in, like I said, about 1/4 inch or so. And then also importantly, when you put the bushing into the pole itself, make sure to take out your first and foremost, make sure you take out this pole so you're not destroying it. And then the bushing itself should match the ribs when you push it in. So even when I start it, I can actually put it in without smashing it. So once I have everything lined up, then usually I take like a block of wood and I just pound it in. So make sure you don't smash your wing nut. And then I cut away the excess, but that's all it takes to put those in.